Okay, so today we are going through the WOCR determination, that is Veros order creation rule determination. Until this, how we were determining the Veros order creation rule? Any idea? I'll just run one cycle. Okay, we'll go to the /n VL01N here 1100. Okay, 186 I'll take. Let us consider two materials I am taking and I'll save it. Okay, some outbound delivery got generated here. Okay, now I will go to the PRDO screen. Yeah, just give your outbound delivery. 1 minute. I have to check the. Okay, execute this. So you are getting an outbound delivery, and once I'll go to the following functions and warehouse task, I'll going to create the warehouse task as well. See, warehouse order creation rule, how many warehouse tasks should be there in the particular warehouse order, and how much weight it can able to occupy. So all those things will be taken care over here. Okay, so I'll just say create plus save means I am just picking some materials. How I am picking the materials? It is based upon the warehouse order creation rule. Okay, whatever the rule we have set. Okay, we have in the warehouse order creation rules here. WCR2 it is coming here. How this WCR2 is coming?
It's a standard setting, if I'm right.
Where is the standard setting?
In warehouse task creation or the warehouse task.
No.
SPR.
See, if you have seen the process, no, the process of what is that? Outbound. Okay, outbound process will be something like this. We are creating the external steps and assigning to the internal steps. Create storage process. We are not assigning the storage process to the WPT. Do you remember? So we are creating warehouse order creation rule here. We are assigning this storage process to the warehouse order creation rule. Correct, no?
Yeah.
Then we are assigning this warehouse order creation to the WPT. So that when we are assigning this warehouse order creation to the WPT, that is why we are getting this particular WCR here. Okay, so I'll just show you that. Okay, in the WPT, SPRO. See, if you are not speaking, I'll not going to get whether you are getting or not. Okay, please do reply. Okay. So if you are not understanding, I cannot able to get it. Okay, cross process setting in this warehouse task. If you go to the WPT, okay. So ours is 1100 2010. Okay, if you go here, see, I have assigned the WCR2 here. Let us consider I am assigning the WCR1. Okay, means what? Okay, WCR1 if I am assigning, save it here. Means what? I am taking the what is that storage process as OBD1 here. Why OBD1? I'll just show you. See, go to the warehouse order. Define, sorry, this one. Define creation route for the warehouse orders. 1100. I have taken WCR1 and WCR2. If you go to the WCR1, here I have assigned OBD1 storage process. And if you go to the WCR2, I have assigned OBD2. What is the change between the OBD1 and OBD2? What is the change here?
Based on strategy, we have provided in a sequence, right? If it is material 1, it will material 1 and with this warehouse, it will go to WCR1.
No. That is completely SRC. That is picking SRC1, bro. Okay, stock removal, that is the different thing. See, I have defined this WCR1 and WCR2, correct? See, WCR1 is the various order creation rule. Okay, this is one various order creation rule. I have assigned the OBD1 storage process here. In the OBD1, what are the different processes we have? I'll show you that. Okay, if you go to the process oriented storage control, okay, so please go through this again. Okay, so if you have not revised it, definitely you're not going to get it. Okay, yes.
Mass and stock removal, right?
No, it is not the. See, it will come in the stock removal, but it is not the strategy of the stock removal. Correct? No? See, OBD1 is there. In the OBD1, we have assigned these 4 steps only. VAS is not included here. See here.
Steps.
Correct? No, VAS is not there here. So if you go back and check for the OBD2, you can see the VAS here. I have defined something like this, so that is why I have taken the concept. Okay, which one it should show and all, I can able to define it through which WCR I'm going to assign to the WPT. Okay, warehouse process type. Understanding, no? Which WCR, because this storage process is already assigned to the WCR. Okay, this is already assigned to the.
We can say WCR for this steps for VAS or.
No. See, we can define n number of what is the storage processes here. These storage processes in the outbound side, we cannot directly assign to the warehouse process type. Okay, WPT को assign नहीं कर सकते इसको. That is why we are creating the warehouse order creation rule. Why we are creating the warehouse order creation rule? We want to control the number of warehouse tasks, as well as we want to limit the what is that total number of weight per warehouse order. That is why I am creating this. Okay, I'll show you how we're going to create the filters and limits now. Okay, so if you go inside, we have defined our 2 different WCR1 and 2, because this WCR1, it is for the OBD1 and WCR2 is for the OBD2. Okay, now when I create the what is that warehouse task, it is taking WCR2 because in the warehouse process type it was assigned earlier. Now I changed to WCR1. Okay, so we'll just check whether select and cancel this. Save. Now if I come back, okay, which WCR it will take, we have to check. Okay, so just go to the outbound delivery follow-on functions, warehouse task. Create plus save. Go to the confirmation page. You should see WCR1 here, because just now I have changed it. Correct? No? Whichever you are going to change in the warehouse process type, it is coming over here. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, so but I want to give this automatically. How it can be possible? Okay, I want to give it automatically means how it is possible. That is what I want to see now. Okay, for that, let us see what is the warehouse order creation rule determination. See, we can determine the warehouse order creation rule based on the warehouse process type as well as based on the activity area. Okay, so I'm going to show you based on the activity area as well. Okay, so what we'll do, I'm going to go to the warehouse process type here. Warehouse process type. And I'm going to remove that. Okay, whatever the warehouse order creation rule I have given now at the WPT, I'll just remove this. Remove this, save. And for the second material also I have given. Okay, so that is F210. Okay, this here also you just remove it. If you are taking the second material only, okay, just remove it. Okay, I have saved both the things. Now, how we can able to determine it? Okay, we can able to determine it based upon the what is that storage? Sorry, activity area. Also, I said okay. So for that, I'll give you the path. Okay, give you the path. SPRO IMG. Okay, here SCM EWM, extended warehouse management. Under that, go to the cross process settings. Under that, okay, go to the warehouse order. Under warehouse order, go to define search sequence for the creation rule of activity areas. Okay, so based upon the activity area, also we can able to define the what is that warehouse order creation rule. We can determine it. Okay, so it will going to be an automatic search sequence here. So just execute this. See here, if anything is there, I'll just remove it based on our thing. So on 1100, nothing is there. I will say new entries. Okay, just observe this. My warehouse is 1100. For everything like ST01 activity area is, what is the activity area for ST01? Tell me. What is the activity area for ST01?
We don't remember.
भाई ये तो पूरा बेसिक पे जा रहे हैं हम सर. Okay, so SPRO I'll take you IMG. Okay, SCM EWM, extended warehouse management. Okay, master data. So in the master data, we have created the activity area. Okay, how we have created the activity area? We have generated the activity area from the storage type. Correct, no? So if you are seeing here, define activity area, and if you are checking 1100, whatever the storage types are there, okay, ST01, ST02, like that, the same activity area. See, the name also same only. Activity area name is also ST01, ST02, something like that. Whatever the storage types you have created, the same name will come here because you are generating the activity area from storage type. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, so your name will be same. So for this also, I'll going to provide activity arrays ST01. Let us consider. So here, what is the activity we are doing? We are doing the picking activity. Pick is the activity. Okay. So sequence it will going to take automatically. So if this is the case, if activity array is ST01 and pick is the activity, then I'm going to give WCR1 as a rule. Just I'm giving this, what is that assignment? Like this, I'm giving the assignment. And if 1100, if it is ST01, and if it is pick is the activity, then I'll give WCR2. This is the second.
Yeah.
Huh?
Okay.
Second sequence. See, I'm going to click enter means first it is going to check the sequence. If it is satisfying, okay, if it is satisfying, okay, see WCR1 means under this so many things are there. Okay, we'll see that. If it is satisfying, it will go to the WCR1 and it will going to take the product here. If okay, if it is not satisfying, it will go to the WCR2 and it will going to take the products from here. Got it, no?
Okay.
Any doubts here?
So in this activity, only picking is possible, and we have multiple activities, right? So
yes, multiple activities are there. Yeah, only picking we are giving here. This is warehouse order creation rule. Only for picking, I am defining it here. We will be definitely having 8 different activities. 8 different activities are there. Only for picking, I am defining it here. Okay, no?
Okay.
Okay, so just we're going to do a test case here. See, what I have defined, if 1100 is there, ST01 is there, and pick is the activity, then WCR1 should be the first sequence, and WCR2 should be the second sequence, like that I have given. And you remember, I have removed the warehouse order creation rule from the WPT also. Remember, no? In WPT, warehouse order creation rule is not there. I'll show you again. Okay. Here, if you go to the warehouse task.
Yeah.
And
just
here.
Because sometimes we have removed.
Okay. 1100. F210 is if you are checking. Sorry, 2020. Here, warehouse order creation rule, I have removed it. Okay. But whether it is going to take or not, we will going to do a test case now. Okay. So I have created this. Okay. I have created the search sequence over here for 1100. What is that? So first, sequence, it is going to check for the WCR1. If it is satisfying, it is going to take. If it is not satisfying, then it will go to the second and it is going to take from the WCR2. Okay, like that I am giving. So now I will go here and I'll just cancel this. See here WCR1 it is coming, that is fine. But now which one it will take? First sequence it will going to take, right? So if first sequence is not satisfying, then only it will go for the second sequence. Correct now here. So again, if I'm coming back, okay, I'll just go back now. I have cancelled this. Okay, go back. If you are coming again, then it should take the WCR1 only. If it is working fine, then we are good. Or else we have to recheck it like that. Okay. So create plus save. So go to the confirmation page. You have to see WCR1 here. See WCR1 you are seeing. Why WCR1? Because in the first sequence it is getting, okay. So that is why it is taking the WCR1. Now I'm going to check it to WCR2. First sequence I'm going to change to WCR2 and second sequence I'm going to change it to WCR1. Let us consider like this. Okay, save it. Now which sequence it is going to take here if I'm cancelling and coming it again?
WCR2.
Yes, WCR2. Okay, because that is the first sequence I have given and it is satisfying. Okay, only that OBD2 should be there in the storage process. Sorry, in that warehouse order creation rule. So it will going to take. Okay, so I'll just check it. Outbound delivery, follow-on functions, warehouse task. Okay, I'll say create plus save. You go to the confirmation page. You'll see WCR2. Okay, because here I am giving the sequence for them. I am giving the sequence for them. Okay. So in this we can see that at confirmation page we can see WCR1 when we assign the WCR1 first sequence or WCR2 when we assign the WCR2 to the next sequence. Okay, but without changing the sequence, how we can achieve it? Without changing the sequence, how we can achieve WCR1 and WCR2? That one we have to check now. Okay, so I'll just do one over here and two over here. And I'm not going to give the means without the sequence also I should get it. Okay. So for this we'll be having some different concepts. Okay, that one we're going to discuss now. Okay, I just change the sequence here. Okay. Now I will just cancel this order as well. Okay. Save it. Now we have the concept called filters. Okay, just go here. Go back or else I'll go to the main page. Okay, for filters, SPRO, IMG, SCM, EWM, extended warehouse management. Okay, in this cross process settings, warehouse orders. Okay, here only we're going to get the filters. Where is that? Defined filters for the warehouse order creation rule. Okay, so we have two types of filters. Two types. First type is item filter. Item filter. Second is subtotal filter. Okay, so what do you mean by item filter and what do you mean by subtotal filter? We'll be seeing it. Okay. So in warehouse order, we have to define these filters for the warehouse order creation rule. Where it will be, okay, first I'm going to show you in the warehouse order creation rule. Here it is there now, where you can assign the filters. Okay, I'll just show you that. Okay, any warehouse order creation rule you take. See, item filter, it is available here. Okay, one filter. They are creating some filter and they are assigning here. Subtotal filter is also available here. Okay, limit we can able to define. All these things we're going to see, but first we are just checking the filter. Okay, for the filter you have the field. For the limit also we have the field. Okay, so I'll just go back. We have not given anything over here in our in our warehouse order creation rule, we have just given the warehouse storage process only. We haven't given anything. Okay, it is completely blank. If I want to define this, we can define whatever the things we want, and we can able to assign it over here. So now I am defining the filter for this. Okay. So how we're going to define the filter? See, I have said one is the item filter and second is the subtotal filter. I'm going to show it as a practical way, then only you will understand. Means what is this item filter, you may get confused, as well as what is the subtotal, you may get confused. Okay, I'm going to show in the practical way so that we can understand the concept. Okay, see, define filters and for the warehouse order creation tool. Just go here. Okay, for 1100, nothing is there. Just say new entries. See what I am doing here in the filter. I can able to restrict the how much weight I will going to carry within a warehouse order. How much weight? Okay, see here, I'll say warehouse order creation rule. I'll say FIL1, fill1, okay, filter1, like that I'm going to give here. Okay, I'm going to give the description. It is what is that we're going to give is maximum of 4 kgs, like that I'm going to give. Maximum 4 kgs I can give it here. Okay. So whatever you can define anything, but here I'm going to give up to 4 kg. Means this is the maximum weight I am going to carry with this particular filter, like that I'm telling. Okay. So filter type it is there. We are creating the warehouse task through the filter type. And there is the physical inventory. I'm not going to bother about the physical inventory as of now. It is about the warehouse task. Okay, filter, what is that type? I have to give, okay, filter at item level or the filter at subtotal level. It is asking. First, we are creating filter at the item level. Okay, so subtotal level, we're going to see it later on. What is subtotal level and all, we're going to give it later. Okay, so maximum weight, okay, what I have given up to 4 kg means maximum itself is 4 kg. So maximum weight I have to give. Where is that maximum weight? It is minimum maximum weight. I'm going to mention 4. Okay, this is the maximum weight I am considering for this filter. Okay, if the what is that weight of the warehouse order is goes above the 4 kg, then it will not going to pick this filter. It will be going to some other filter. Okay, so I have just given this much. Okay, I have not given anything. You can define based upon the volume as well. Okay, minimum volume, maximum volume, like that you can able to define it. So I am defining based upon the weight, as we have taken the weight for the material. I have not given the volume for the material. Okay, so here few more things are there. See here, I have given the weight. After that, minimum process time is there, maximum extreme time is there. See, all these things are comes under the labor management. Whenever you are minimum process time means this much time it will be considering for the processing of the time. What is the process time for taking the or completing the warehouse task? Okay, based upon that also you can able to create the filters. Okay, after that, this one I really don't know. Okay, what is this? We'll just check it. Minimum number of items. Okay. So how many items we'll going to put it into a subtotal filter? Okay, see, it may be okay if subtotal filter, how it will going to define means if none of the filters, okay, I'm going to define some 10 filters, let us consider. If none of the filters will going to satisfy the criteria, then all the line items will go to the subtotal filter and they're going to maintain order. Okay, all the different line items will go to the subtotal filter and they're going to pass through the subtotal filter only. Okay, means it is giving what will be the minimum line items. Okay, minimum items should be there in the subtotal filter. If 5 items are there, then only subtotal filter will be integrated, or else no. And we can able to provide the maximum items in the subtotal filter. Okay, so like maximum we can able to provide some 15 or 20 subtotal filter line items. If that is not there, then subtotal filter will not be integrated, like that. Okay, so they are the certain what is that? Again, we are segregating the filters based means we are when we're going to assign to the WCR, no, warehouse order creation rule. So there it will going to satisfy whether if it is satisfying, then only it will going to consider those particular warehouse order creation rules in the strategies, or else it will not going to consider, like that. Okay. And based upon the alternative unit, you can make you can use it, or various process type you can able to give. Okay, and reason is the root, wave category, all these things are available. So based upon this, you can able to define the filters. Okay, just understand, we are just defining the filter, basic filter up to 4 kg. If it is maximum 4 kg, it can able to take. Okay, if it is coming more than that, then it will not going to consider. Okay, so I'll just say here, no put away. Okay, we are where else we are not taking this. Okay, it is not for the put away, but stock removal I want to take. It is not for the inter stock transfer, and no physical inventory. I'm going to take these things and save this. See, I have created one filter here. Okay, now I'm going to create one more filter. Okay, I'll say fill 2. And description I'm going to give is minimum of 5 kgs. If the minimum weight is 5 kg, then only this filter will going to consider, or else no. Okay, I'll just say filter. Here also item filter only. Minimum weight we have to give, that is 5 kg. Okay, minimum weight I am giving it as a 5 kg. See, if 5 kg minimum weight is there, then it will going to create the, means it will going to consider this filter, or else no. Okay.
Give me one quick question.
Yes, ask me.
So this through this filter, whether we will be able to control the number of work order creation also?
Work order?
Yeah, see, work order creation rule which we are looking
no,
at
warehouse
right
order.
Warehouse
Okay.
task, yes, warehouse task which is getting created.
Yes.
For example, if you are having 3 line items in one particular outbound,
okay,
let's consider one quick example. If
Uh-huh.
I want to split that 50 line item into 2 warehouse tasks.
Warehouse
Not
order.
as a-
No.
Yes.
One
yes,
one line item is one warehouse task. Okay.
Right. So it is going to create multiple warehouse tasks based on the line items. So is there any possible where we control? See, I don't want to create a separate warehouse task, and I want to create one single task for 8 line items.
Okay. See, you are asking. We have the warehouse task. Okay, let us consider we are having 50 warehouse tasks. Okay, at a time we are getting this thing. Correct, no? So, but I don't want all the 50 line items to create one by one. Okay, so what is the warehouse order? Tell me first. What do you mean by warehouse order? I have defined it earlier also. What is the warehouse order?
Once you create warehouse task,
see here only warehouse order is nothing but the executable package. I have said. Okay, warehouse order is nothing but the executable package under which we will going to have the warehouse task. Different warehouse tasks will be available here. Okay, so I have given one example also. Let us consider this is the home. Okay, this is the entire thing is the home, and we want to make a painting up of the home. Okay, here is the hall. Here is the kitchen. Okay, and here we have 2 bedrooms. Let us consider like this. Okay. Okay, here some utility area is there. So the painter came. This is an area. Okay, area 1. This is the area 2. This is 3, 4, and 5. So these are called as a warehouse task here. The warehouse order is nothing but the entire home. Okay, the entire home painting is happening here. But under this, we are having the warehouse task. See, I have completed the warehouse task 2 means I have completed the painting for kitchen. If I am completed the warehouse task 1 means it is completion of the painting for the hall. Understanding, no? This is how we will going to get the warehouse. What is that? Orders. And the warehouse orders is a accumulation of the warehouse task. Got it? See, your question is you are creating some warehouse task like 50 warehouse tasks are there. I don't want to have entire line items in one particular warehouse order. Correct, no, Dinesh bhai?
Right. Right.
That is what we are doing here. That is the Veros order creation rule. See, based upon the filters and based upon the limits. Okay, limits is the another concept where I will going to set. Okay, I will going to set only I want two Veros tasks should be there in one particular Veros order. Like that, I can able to define over there. Okay, I can restrict my Veros task into a particular Veros order. Okay, let us consider this 50 Veros tasks are there. If I'm saying maximum number of 5 Veros tasks per Veros order means, okay, it will going to consider how many Veros orders will going to generate here? 10 Veros orders will going to generate. Because I am restricting the Veros task of 5 per Veros order. Correct, no?
So it can be based on weight, or it can be based on the line item.
Yes,
Am I right?
yes. Filters, if you are providing, that is completely related to the weight, volume, time, duration, all those things. If you are giving the limits, okay, limits are basically we're going to provide for the how many line items are the Veros task should be there in a particular Veros order like that. I have not yet come to the limits part now. Okay, we are just going to the filters only. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, first we're going to understand the filters, then we'll come to the limits, then we'll proceed further. Got it?
Yeah. So filters you have created with the weight now, like 4 kg and 5 kg.
Yes, yes, correct. You are right.
Okay, so what is the 4 kg? That means that
how many materials you are bringing?
Material weight.
Correct. You are right. Okay, see here. This Veros task I have brought. It is having the 2 quantity, means total number of 4 kgs we are having it here. Correct, no? So this is 4 kg. This is the maximum of 4 kg, means it will go into the filter. Filter 1 means filter 1 where I am going to assign that Veros order creation rule. It will take. Got it? Any doubts here? Okay, so like this, I have defined 2 filters here. Okay, so I have defined 2 filters and I have saved it also. Okay, go back. Now go to the Veros order creation rule. Okay, because we have to assign this filters to the Veros order creation rules, right? So I will go to the 1100. So in Veros order creation rule 1, I am going to assign the fill 1. Okay, filter 1, I am going to assign it here. Save it. And in Veros order creation rule 2, I'm going to assign the filter 2. Means what? Okay, means what? Tell me. Okay. Yeah, if the weight of the material, whatever I am bringing, if it is greater than, if it is greater than 5 kgs or equal to 5 kgs, then it will consider the Veros order creation rule 2. If it is less than the 4 means up to 4 kgs, then it is going to consider the Veros order creation rule 1. Got it? Got it or not?
Yeah.
If you are not getting, please do ask again. Okay, fine. Okay, I'll just save this. Go back. Okay, now what we'll do, we're going to create some Veros orders. Okay, so Veros orders means we're not going to take it through this. Okay, we have end that transaction. Without this order also, without the reference of order also, we can able to create the outbound delivery. What is the T code? /n PL01N4. This is the T code to create the what is that warehouse? Sorry, outbound delivery without the reference of order. Okay, just click enter. See, create outbound delivery without order reference. Like that, it is there. Okay, what is the delivery type here? Okay, delivery type is we have to choose the delivery type. This is yellow. See, delivery without reference, yellow. And sales organization is 1100. Distribution channel 10. Division is 10. Okay, so click enter. Okay, here ship to party AI 00. What is that? I think 14. A001.
A1000 or
I'll just check and come, okay. Slash n real 01n. Okay, click enter. I will just take the customer. Sorry, 1 minute, copying control. So, 1 minute. Slash n real 01n. Oh, yellow I have to remove. Okay, here customer. Okay, CUST is the CUST. Okay, I have to take the CUST. Okay, just slash n real 01n. So delivery type yellow. Okay, this is correct. CUST. Okay, this is the shift party. Planned GI. Okay, so I have to choose some date here. Okay, let us consider I'm taking the today's date only. Here, material I have to put 1100 mat 1. Okay, see why I am creating this thing. Okay, let us consider you are having a like you are working in the big basket. Okay, it is a big basket. Okay, Sunish is staying. Okay, everyone is staying in Bangalore only. Let us assume like that. Okay, Ajay is staying in some area. Okay, he is ordering for some 1 kg tomato. And Sunish is also staying here. Okay, he is ordering for some 4 kg tomato. And Dinesh also staying here. Okay, he is ordering for some 2 kg tomato. Okay. And me also staying. Okay, I am ordering some 3 kg tomato. Let us consider like this. Okay. See, we are having the staging area. Okay, so that is the GI staging area. One person, okay, for one particular warehouse task. Okay, this is Ajay warehouse task. For Ajay warehouse task, one person is assigned. Let us consider. Okay, and that person is going to the tomato area, whatever the bin it might be in the big basket. He is going there and he is picking only 1 kg and he is coming back to the GI zone. And that person is going for the Sunish warehouse task and he is going to do this task. For Dinesh, one more person will go, and for me, one more person. All these things are tomato only. We are taking the tomato only, but we are means those resources whether they are working in a particular manner or they are wasting their time. Completely, they are wasting their time because let us consider. Okay, and one more thing I didn't mention here. These orders were created within 15 minutes. Okay, it means in within 15 or 1 hour, these orders were created. We can able to provide. Okay, this is the background activity which will be created every 15 minutes, or else you can able to create the wave. Okay, or release the wave after 15 minutes or 1 hour. You can do whatever you want. Okay. Let us consider what is wave. We have already mentioned this concept. Okay, I have just given the brief about the wave. Wave means you are getting some different types of warehouse tasks. Okay, you are getting some hundreds warehouse tasks. Okay, hundreds of warehouse tasks. Let us consider, and in this 100 warehouse tasks, these 4 tasks also are available. Okay, so these 4 tasks, what we are doing, this is the same material. We just have to go here and pick these materials. That's it. But if you are not going like this and you are taking 1 by 1 warehouse task, then it is going to take a lot of time. See, in this 100 warehouse task, what it will do? Okay, in this 100 warehouse task, these 4 warehouse tasks will going to take into 1 warehouse order. Okay, these 4 tasks will going to take into 1 warehouse order. This warehouse order is going to assign to a particular resource. See how it will be easing the process. See here, one warehouse, one resource will be going to the a particular bin, and he will be packing. Okay, 1 kg tomato, 4 kg, 2 kg, like that. He'll going to pack this tomatoes, and he will going to bring it in his trolley. So at the GI staging area, no, they're going to segregate. Okay, as I require 1 kg, he might be order some other products also. They're going to segregate them and they're going to pack his delivery and they're going to pack Sunish's delivery and Dinesh delivery. Like that, they're going to do. Got it, no? the process. Any doubts here?
Like see, if we are considering one warehouse task with the one warehouse order with task, that is the not time consuming process.
Yeah, it means you are assigning four different
That
tasks.
is the standard scenario.
Four different tasks to the resource means it is not going to consume much time, right? Like all these four warehouse tasks will be carrying out. One resource will be carrying out, correct? No? Okay. See, if I want to do this warehouse task one or warehouse task two, 1 minute. Warehouse task four. Let us consider these warehouse tasks are there. See, this warehouse task one is assigned to one resource, two is assigned to one resource, three assigned to one resource, and four assigned to one resource. Means all those four people individually going to the same bin and bringing the same product. Correct, no? It is a time consuming. That is what I'm saying. Only one person is going to this bin and is going to collect all this and is coming back. Means other three resource we can utilize it for some other what is that for other purpose also, correct? No, so that is why I am defining this particular things. Okay, so entire, like that is where I have given, see, 1 kg or 2 kg, this will go into one filter and this will going to take, okay, see here, this 1 kg is there, means we have given the filter, right? It will going to fit in the filter one, correct? No, then this also is going to move to the filter one, and this is going to filter two. This will go to the filter two. Filter one we have assigned to the WCR1. Okay, this one and this one will going to take into the WCR1, and it will going to create one warehouse order. Okay, so WCR2 it will filter two. We have assigned to the WCR2, so it will going to create another warehouse order. Correct, no? Based upon the kg also we have given. See, one resource is there, he is having a very small trolley. In that trolley, he can able to take only maximum of 3 kgs. Let us consider. Or else they have not given the trolley at all. In one hand, he can hold 1 kg, or else 2 kgs. In another hand, he can hold 2 kgs. Maximum that much only he can hold. He can bring. But one person is there, he is taking with the trolley. Okay, he can take 4 kgs and 3 kgs. Or else minimum 5 kg we have given. He can bring up to 15 kgs, something like that. Let us consider. Okay. So it will go to the WCR2 and it will going to create the warehouse order and that warehouse order, and it will going to assign to particular resource. Understanding, no? Yeah, any doubts here? Ajay, Dinesh bhai? No doubts? Okay. So now I will go to the system. Okay, I am creating one warehouse order, right? So delivery quantity, I'll say 1. Here, 1 minute, what we'll do. Okay, what I will do, I'll just give this. Let us consider 1100. Mat 1 is my material. Some 4 material I am taking. Correct. I cannot able to. Okay, 1 minute.
We have created only the mat 1 and mat 2, right?
Yeah, mat 1, mat 2, but I'm just considering this one. Okay. Okay, let us consider some 4 items I am taking, 4 line items, and I am going to mention the cases. Okay, I am going to take one, some 3 kg, whatever I have mentioned. No, I'm considering it over here. Okay. See, this is about the quantity of the products. One product means it will be 2 kg. 3 products means 6 kg. 2 products means 4 kg. 4 means 8 kg. Like that. Okay, because one product will be having a 2 kgs, right? And I'm going to mention my plant. 1 minute. How it will be the plant as store location. Correct. Plant is 1100. ROD is the store location. Okay. So Okay. So now what I will do, I will just copy these things. I can paste it here. Okay, this 4 is done. Okay, next I'll go to the time times 2 location. I'll copy these things and paste it here. Okay, so everything is I have created now. So just you have to save it. I have created this. What is that? One delivery I have created. Okay, one delivery I have created. Just copy this delivery. Go to the PRDO screen. Just give this and execute. Okay, you can see 4 different line items here. Why it is not coming?
You have provided storage location already ready on top.
Oh shit, AFS I should have.
Right?
Correct,
Yes.
correct, correct. You are right, you are right.
That's what I was thinking.
You would have told it earlier, no?
Why we are including ROD?
No, you would have told it, no?
No, I thought, okay, you are trying in different way.
No different way, bro. Same way only. Okay, here I'm going to give the planned date. Okay, material. I have to take it again. AFS and this one I'll just copy it and give it here. Okay, click enter. Okay, save it. 4/6 now.
Okay, once the outbound delivery is created, can't we go and change the storage location directly over there?
No, no. Okay, so you cannot change anything. Okay, so again, this document is not. 1 minute. It will be stuck in the queue at least. Yeah. No document type found for the yellow from system. Okay. Okay. So document type yellow is not found. Okay, 1 minute. This one it is comes under the document type only. We have to define our document types. Okay, where we are defining our document types. Interfaces. Okay, here ERP integration. General settings. No, not general settings. Delivery documents, delivery processing. Yellow define yeah, map filters is there, map is there, define number is there. Okay, map document types from ERP system to EWM system. Okay, whether yellow is mapped or not, we have to check. See, yellow is not at all there here. Okay, we have to map the yellow to the IND. Sorry, not IND, OUTB. Okay, yellow we have to map to the OUTB. So new entries you say. Okay, business system name. Okay, nothing we will going to provide because only one business system name will be there. So ERP it is yellow, and what is that mapping? I'm going to do it for the OUTB. Click enter, save it. Now, okay, I have defined this document type. Okay, go back, you can see it over here. Just a minute.
657.
Huh? Oh,
657.
okay.
Amba.
Hmm. Okay, yellow is it is appearing now. Okay, go back. See, if you are working on the other systems, no, I'll just open the security system for you. Okay. So here they were already mentioned everything. Okay. Here, if you are checking SPRO, IMG, SCM, EWM, Extended Warehouse Management. Here, the whatever the data it is required for you, everything is mentioned. Okay. ERP integration, so delivery processing. So first one is map document types. Okay. So this is a decentralized system. Here, if you are checking, okay, yellow, see here, yellow is defined to the OUTV. It is already there. So it will going to come for you. Okay, if it is not there, definitely it will not. See, NL, OUTV. NL, where you are going to use NL and NLCC? Yeah, stock transfer, right? So those things also they are assigned already. Okay, map item types. So anything is with the, see, here we are having the document types. Okay, so if document types, see this one also we need to map. What is that? Yellow, DLN and ODLB. This one we have to map. Yellow, DLN, ODLB. Because item type in ERP, okay, we need to check. Okay, what is the item type in ERP? So I'll just go to the display. Okay, this one I have to view the display. The line item, we have to check what is the CR. Item category is DLN, correct? No? We have to map this item category as well. Then only it will work. So RS, okay, there are so many things will come, okay, but we are just giving this particular things as of now. Okay, yellow and DLN we have to assign here. Go to your, where is that? This is one. Just remove this, okay. Yeah, now go to the item types here. If item types it is there, then it is fine, or else we have to define it again. See, yellow is not at all there, LF is there only. So just say new entries. Okay, here we are giving the document type ERP. What is the document type in ERP? That is document type in ERP. Yellow, yellow we have to define this here. Yellow item type we have to define, and document type in the EWM we have to define. Yes, item type. Okay, these things we have to define. I'll say new entries. Document type in ERP is LO, and item type in ERP DLL, and document type in ERP is OUTB. Okay, then item type. Okay, this is ODLB. Save it. See, we have defined this particular thing. Okay, yellow, DLN, OUTB, and ODLB. Okay, same thing it is defined at the this server also. If you are not defining OUTB also, that is fine. But this at least yellow, DLN, ODLB should be there. Okay, if you are not defining this, see what is the meaning of this? If yellow is the document type in the ERP and DLN is the item category or item type in the ERP, then it should find ODLB as the item type in the EWM. Like that we are mapping. Okay. Here I have mapped some OUTB also. That is fine. It is going to work. Not an issue. Okay. If you want, you can mention one more thing, one more line item. That also is going to take care of this. Okay. One more line item. You just remove the OUTB and mention it. Okay. That is also fine. If you want to, I will going to mention it, or else it is not required also. And map date types ERP system to EWM. Okay, this is one more thing. See here also based upon the item type, we will be mapping the what is that date and time. Okay, so it is already there. For ODLB, it is already there. Okay, so we need not to mention. Okay, for OUTB and ODLB, they have mentioned some date and time. Okay, it is not required for us. Okay, I'll leave it like this. Okay, that is enough, I think. Okay, we'll go to the queue. Okay, and find. Okay, click enter. Double click on this. I'm going to reset this. refresh. Okay, it is gone. Now go and execute this. Here, execute this. We are getting this. Okay, under that, 4 different line items are coming. Okay, so one warehouse task. Okay, these are different things are the warehouse task here. This warehouse task is having only one quantity. This is having 3 quantity. Means kg wise. Kg wise you can define. Okay, here 3 kg. Here sorry 6 kg. Here 4 kg. Here 8 kg. Means 1 kg and 2 kg. They are going to take the filter 1. Correct? No. Because that is up to 4 kg. Am I right?
Right.
So 3 kg and 4 kg they are going to take the filter 2. Means they have to take the WCR2. Am I right?
Right.
Okay. So now we'll select this.
1 and 2 WCR1 and
No.
3 and 4
Warehouse
WCR.
task 1 and 3 will going to take the WCR1. 3 and 4 take
okay.
the WCR2. Okay.
That was it.
So follow-on functions, warehouse task I will say. One more thing. Okay. So we have defined it FIFO, correct? No, FIFO might be we have given. We have to give the higher quantity. Okay. So if it is picking from the higher quantity, then only these things will come. Okay. If it is picking from the see, I'll show you this. Okay. So what is the 1 minute? Okay, I'll just tell about this also. It is very important. Okay, this is over. I will go to the goods issue process and the strategies. Stock removal rule we have given. Okay, here. Okay, specify you go 1100. So we are going through the SRC1 and 2010. If it is there, then FIFO is the what is that removal rule we have given. If FIFO is the removal rule, let us consider in one particular bin only one product is there. One product is there. Then for that it is going to create one warehouse task. Okay. If it is picking from some other bin, it will going to create one more warehouse task. Then it will not going to fulfill our result, whatever we are doing it over here. What is that? Like this, whatever we are doing it, no? So see, all these 3 products, it has to pick from only one particular bin. Means what I can do, I'm going to change this, what is that, FIFO to some high storage first out, like that I'll high stock first out, I'm going to give it. Got it, no? Means first it's going to take the, whatever the maximum quantity is there, from there it's going to pick the stocks. Understanding? In a particular bin, whatever the maximum quantity is there, it is going to pick the stocks. Okay, I'll just save this. Okay, I'll go to the, just go back again, we're going to come in. Okay, following functions, warehouse task. See, one by one we're going to do. See here, I'm going to select this line item. See, I'll say create. This line item it is taking. See, from where it is picking, it is picking from the ST01, this 212. Okay, just observe this 212. Okay, what will be there in this 212, you can understand. Okay, go to the SAP, execute, and go to the stock and bin, sorry, storage bin, physical stock. Okay, ST01 if you are going, and the material mat, okay, 1100 mat 1 if you are going. Execute this. Okay, based upon the quantity, what I'm going to do, I'll just okay, see, 212 is having the maximum stock, 25 stocks. So that is why it is picking from here. Okay. Yes.
Yeah, highest stocks.
Highest. Okay, so for the same thing, it will be doing for the everything. Okay, because all these quantities, it will be 20, below 25 only. It will going to pick from this particular storage bin only. Just see now. Okay, I'll say create here. These 3 stocks also it is picking from the same bin. Then this also it is going to picking from the same bin. Okay, it is taken from some different bin. I don't know why. This is taken from 313. 313. Going to okay. Here quantity is less. No, now quantity become less. Okay, while 1 and 3 it is over. Okay, it is 4 quantity, it is reduced from here means
Consumed.
it is consumed means it is highest quantity is here in the 23. So it will going to take it from here now. Okay, 313. That is correct. Okay. Now it has to bring 4 materials. Okay. So in this we are having 21. Okay, 1 minute. 1 and 3. Yeah, here we are having 21 stocks now. Here we are having 21 stocks. And here 23 is there. Now it should pick from the 333. We'll see. I'll say create. Okay, it is taken from 333. Got it? No?
Yes.
Okay, so like that it
Will
has.
not go for partial, if I'm right.
Yes, yes. Okay, I'll say create plus save. We are mainly seeing the Veros order creation rule. Okay, in the confirmation phase, we have to see in the Veros order creation rule 1. Okay, you double click on this, you should get 2 line items here. Okay, one is having the 1 kg and the other is having, sorry, one is having 2 kg and the other is having the 4 kg. Correct, no? Automatically it is picking, right? In Veros order creation rule 2, you are taking this 6 kg and 8 kg are going here automatically. Got it?
But maximum you have given 4 kg, right?
Yeah, maximum it is 4 kg. You are right. Yeah, this is 4 kg. The maximum 4 kg. No, correct. No. Veros task. Okay, one Veros task. It can be 4 kg like that. I'm saying one Veros task. This is one Veros task. That is a maximum of 4 kg. This is the ender Veros task. That is a maximum of 4 kg. Filter. It is going under through the filter. Got it?
And second
So apart,
one, whereas
Okay, here I have given minimum of 5 kg. It can take any number. Okay, after 5 kg, whatever the value will come, it is going to take.
so Sri Bhai, apart from this filter, is there any other way also to control this? Just checking.
Limits are there. No, we have to discuss about the limits. I have not yet discussed about it. Okay.
and one more thing, before this you showed, right, that it was taking after 0203 was taking that way.
Pardon?
How it was before this step, okay, you told, right? From 02 it is going to 03.
02 it is
That is coming from strategy, removal strategy, yes, like high rate strategy and that. See, they are asking for high rate storage we have taken. FIFO and high rate.
that one. Okay. FIFO you are asking, Sunish?
Actually, the monitor now you showed that, right? 01 after that 02, 23, 25 quantity.
No. Quantity. It is based upon the quantity. See, that one high stock. First out I have given now. Okay. Why I have given that? Because let us consider. Okay, what is the lowest stock? See, 1 is there here. Okay, 1 is there initially. If I am taking, okay, first initially, okay, I'm going to give this first in first out, then I'm going to show you, okay, what will be the problem. Okay, I'll just cancel this, save it, go back. Okay, I will going to change it now. Okay, here I'm going to make it FIFO only. If it is picking from some different window, it will going to create one more Veros task, and it will not going to go to under that filter. Okay, that is the problem. Okay, I have saved it. Now go over here and do your process. Column functions Veros task. Okay. See, now I want to pick this material. Okay, only one quantity. I'll say create. It is taken from some bin. Okay, it is taken from some bin. We're going to check it. Okay, so 131. Okay, why it has taken from 131? We have to give the GR date and filter it out. Okay, first in, first out. We have given. So this is the 131. Why it is taken from 131? Where is 131? First in, first out, right? So this is the first material. This is a 131. It has taken 131. 131. I am not seeing here. Oh, sorry, it is at the last, sorry. Okay, 131 it is there. Okay, this is the first, what is that? First in, first out we are taking. So this is the first in, so that is it is going to first. And next, okay, here 11 materials are there. Okay, 11 materials are there, sorry. So 11 materials are there means all this, okay, how much it is? Okay, so total 10 quantities are there. So all these things you're going to pick from here only. Okay, if you have the differences, no, then I would have shown. Okay, here no differences, so it is going to pick from the same bin. If it is picking from some different bin, no, let us consider this 4 quantities there. If you are picking from some different bin, two cases will go for the WCR1, and another 2 cases will also be going for the WCR1 only. Correct, no? It will going to divide it here. Okay, if only 2 materials are there in a particular bin, then it will going to divide this. Okay, and it will going to create 2 various tasks over here, because one various task it is taken from one bin and another is from another bin, like that it will take. So that is why I have taken all these materials from only one bin. That is why I have given higher the quantity first out, like that. Okay, then? It is nothing. Okay, so if you are saying create plus save, now also it is going to do the same. What is that? Warehouse, warehouse order creation rules. Okay, same warehouse order creation rules. In one warehouse order creation rule, you are having the 1 and 2 materials. Okay, in this you will be having a 3 and 4 quantity. Okay, got it? No, this one concept. It is based upon the activity area it is going. Okay, and your warehouse order creation rule, whatever the creation rule you have created and filter you have applied, no, for that filter it is coming like this. Okay, in the next class, we're going to see about the limits. Okay, and subtotal filter as well. Okay, in limits means I'm going to define. See here, maximum. See, total number of warehouse tasks is around 4 are there. Okay, but I'm going to create some 8 warehouse tasks. Let us consider how that time how it is going to consider. We can check it. Okay, where 8 warehouse tasks I'm going to take it in a one particular what is that order, warehouse order. Okay, while creating the warehouse order, but I'm going to define a limit. Okay, in one particular warehouse order, I am going to limit maximum of 3 warehouse tasks, like that I'm going to define. Okay, that time how it is going to consider, we can see. Okay, so we're going to see it in the next class. Okay, so here we're going to stop this session. Okay, so if you have any doubts, you can ask me while practicing also. So Dinesh bhai will connect offline and we're going to discuss on that. Okay, so whenever we have the free time. Okay, thank you then. Thank you everyone.